Do that one of these days.
Yeah, once I get my spot, you already know.
Yeah, man. Like I said, I think once these instrumentals get rolling, they're gonna see, they're gonna see action. It's gonna motivate them to jump on too.
Yeah.
We might even have a Jake on the track.
Hey, let me know, man.
He's over there spitting bars already. Look at him.
Damn, for real? Trying to be the next Eminem? Which one? The next Lil Dicky?
He's talking about how much he hates his mom and dad.
Oh, shit.
He killed his little brother or something.
Fuck America. Hey, it's their time, too. Trump tripping. America need a white boy like that, right?
So the only reason he didn't vote was because there wasn't no time. We needed more time to vote, right? Right, Jake?
What's up?
We needed more time to vote.
All these handicaps that need to be done. God, damn. God, it's handicap. One of these. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm there.
Which was the next one right here?
The next one's right there.
Is this one?
Right here?
Oh no, we said this one, right? Go right here.
Yeah.
Let me get that Portland first. Right there, Jake, the Portland. Slide it. One of these little pieces, Jake. What's that?
It's a good workout too.
Alright, yeah, we're gonna lay this one real quick. That's it, Jake. So you upload them today, it'll be available what? By Monday or something?
Yeah.
You already got everything set up for it to go to YouTube Shorts and shit, right? Because it was telling me, I was just sampling, like, to upload a track, about having to pay like an extra whatever, few dollars to upload or to make it available for all the other platforms. You know what I mean?
They should have it to where you can do it on your own manually, so it's free.
I was just studying a little bit. You know what I mean? We need this mud a little stiffer than normal because these stones are heavy as hell. So people watching, they like, why is that mud so hard? Because we made it stiff. Because these stones are heavy as hell. Natural stone is heavy. All right, come with it. Which way does it go? Like that?